To create wild and wacky distortions in Affinity Photo is super easy. First thing to do, go over to Filters and then down to Distort and then Mesh Warp. In Mesh Warp, go over here and go to Source. Now when you're applying this, you will see nothing until you click Apply. So double click, and you can see you can add some nodes very quickly. And then you can simply select them and then just drag them in all kinds of different ways. So I'm just going to add a few more. Once you've done that, you need to do, just go over here and click Apply. And there you have it. Very super weird and wonderful distortion. Now, if you want to save it, how to do that? Well, you can use macros. Macros you can find in the window menu. So window and down to macro. Just go here and click the record. So start recording. Then go filters and then distort and then mesh warp. In here, again, go up here, source, double click, add a point and distort. Double click, distort, double click, and you can see as you do it, you can just distort it multiple times. At the moment you can't see anything, but click apply. And there you have it, quick distortion. Now it's been recorded, so stop it and you can see here, mesh warp. At this point, you can then just click here and apply it again and again to create even more distortions. Below, a like or dislike, always appreciated. Please subscribe to the channel. If you want to blend the distortions, all you need to do, go to layer and then just down to duplicate. So you've got a duplicate, then apply the mesh warp using the macro, click there and you've got that distortion. You go over here, you've got the layers. This one can be changed to darken, multiply, lighten, screen, etc. to create some weird and wonderful designs in Affinity Photo, PC or Mac. Bye.